Today we'll talk about how can you use BoApp. So we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do. So in verse here, we will go to click in this sign to manage your information here. Here can you click here on profile. So then here you will find your profile here. Just go above edit, click on it, then you click here on complete profile, you click on it here. If you want to add here your interests here, so then I'm going to click here for example, then you click on continue here. And here if you want to enable headphone and email contacts or enable it, so can you manage it here. And here your distance, then you click on continue here. And here add, select your promos of your choice here. So then you click here on continue again here. Then it's going to, so before that you have to add here your photos here. So and can you skip it here, can you skip it, then here can you add your face photo here. So if to here so and here can you skip it here. Then here can you add about you and click here on continue or skip it. When you add about you here, and here can you get your premium if you want to get your premium here. So and another step here can you so like friends here, super likes, and here can you remove them. I'm going to click here for example. That's mean you have to finish your profile first to work with you. When you just I want to add this person, just click in this sign. So here can you create, you click here on complete profile here. Then here add your photo here to create your account or your photo. So and all you have to do now, I'm going to skip it here. So and next you click here in this sign. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. Here you add your looking for friends. Can you add here friends you're looking for? And here you so you, if you want to add for dating, if you want to add man or woman, or here no right here can you here select age ranger. And here so if you want to add here show verified profile only here, or here show me to verified profiles only, can you select it here. If you want to select here, if you want to show your global source only here, can you, if you want to add it global or local here, here can you manage so your your filter here matches, can you select it in this list. And here can you find languages here of people you want to detain or you want to know. And here you add interests. So then here personality here, can you add it in this list, can you manage it. If you want to add all information, your information here. So in another step here, you just here if you want to click on any verses here, can you find here posts. And here you will find all posts of persons here. Can you react or can you react with this here with this post here if you want to react with this post. And here if you want to add comments. And here if you want to share it, here if you want to save it. So then here you will find all activity here in app. Your notifications, you will find it here. And here can you find messages. When you just click on it, you will find all messages you have. Then here requests messages. here sent and here received. So then here views, you will find all views here, viewed you and you viewed, you will find it in this list, here. So here you will find all you viewed here, and it's going to show for you like this here. So I'm going to click to this sign here. So if you want to show for you here a person you viewed here, can you just get premium, then it's going to show for you. And here can you find here saved posts, and here personality here. Then here can you manage your settings if you want to add language here, or here data saving mode. If you want to uh, add here light mode, just click on this sign, and dark mode, click on it again here. Here if you want to manage a vibration, here metric system, and here social feed, and here notifications, can you manage it in this list. So and that's all here. In this list can you just manage your notifications. Here if you want to active bot infinity, here just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to select here, and here can you select it. You click if you want to select month one, so here 1 month or 3 or years, you click here on continue. If you want to add year here, I'm going to click on continue, add your credit or debit card, then it's going to add with you. So that's all here. That's all to use your Bo app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. So thank you for your watching.